In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer free shipping on minimum order amount in WooCommerce. Let's start from your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the WooCommerce option, hover your mouse over it, and from the drop-down that appears, click on Settings. This is where you control most of your store's core behavior, including shipping. Inside the Settings page, you'll notice several tabs along the top. Go ahead and click on the Shipping tab. This section is dedicated to how shipping works in your store, including zones, methods, and rates. On the Shipping tab, you'll see a list of shipping zones if you already have some, or it might be empty if this is your first time setting it up. To create a new one, click the Add Zone button. This will open the Shipping Zone editor, where you define which customers this free shipping rule will apply to. In the Shipping Zone editor, start by giving your zone a clear name in the zone name field. This is just for your reference, so choose something descriptive, like free shipping domestic or free shipping Europe, depending on your target area. Next, click on the Zone Regions field. A drop-down will appear where you can choose the countries or specific regions that belong to this shipping zone. Select all the locations where you want this particular free shipping rule to be available. You can add multiple regions if needed. Now, look for the Shipping Methods area within the same editor. Click on the Add Shipping Method button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to choose the type of shipping method you want to add. From the options, select Free Shipping, then click Continue and wait a moment for the pop-up to reload with more settings. Inside this pop-up, you can edit the name of the shipping method if you want to make it more descriptive for customers. For example, free shipping over $50, then look for the section labeled Free Shipping Requires. Here you'll see several options such as no requirement, a free shipping coupon, or different combinations involving a minimum order amount and coupons. Choose the option that says minimum order amount if you only want the free shipping to trigger when the cart reaches a specific value. In the field that appears, enter the minimum order amount you want to require before free shipping becomes available. You'll also see an option to apply the minimum order rule before coupon discount. Enable this if you want the threshold to be based on the original cart total, not reduced by coupons. This can help protect your margins. When you're happy with these settings, click Create and Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. After the pop-up closes, you'll return to the Shipping Zone page. To finalize everything, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom left. That's it. You've now set up free shipping in WooCommerce based on a minimum order amount for a specific region.